Have you ever wondered how to build a lucrative online portfolio in graphic design? In today's digital age, having an online portfolio is more than just a nice-to-have. It's an absolute must. Think of it as your digital showroom, a place where you can showcase your creativity, your style, and your skills to potential clients all around the globe. It's your open for business sign that's up 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it's what can set you apart in the crowded world of graphic design. An online portfolio isn't just a collection of your work, it's a reflection of who you are as a designer. It's your chance to tell your story, to share your journey, and to give people a glimpse into your creative process. It's your opportunity to show not just what you can do, but how you think, how you solve problems, and how you turn ideas into stunning visuals. But having an online portfolio isn't just about showing off your work, it's about attracting potential clients. You see, when a potential client visits your portfolio, they're not just looking at your work, they're looking for a reason to hire you. They're looking for proof that you can deliver, that you can meet deadlines, that you can communicate effectively, and that you can bring their vision to life. Your portfolio is your chance to prove all that and more. Of course, having a portfolio isn't enough. It needs to be professional and well-structured. It needs to be easy to navigate, visually appealing, and it needs to reflect your personal brand. It should highlight your best work, it should be updated regularly, and it should make a strong impression right from the get-go. In the competitive world of graphic design, having a standout online portfolio can be the difference between landing that dream gig and getting lost in the crowd. It's your chance to shine, to stand out, and to show the world what you're capable of. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, remember this. Your portfolio is your personal brand, make it count. So, where should you host your portfolio? This question is more significant than you might think. The platform you choose can greatly influence how effectively your work is showcased. There are numerous platforms available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. For instance, some platforms are geared towards simplicity and ease of use, perfect for those who prefer to let their work do the talking. Others offer more customization options, allowing you to demonstrate your unique style. On the other hand, some platforms may be more popular with clients, increasing your visibility. But they might also be crowded, making it harder to stand out. The best way to choose a platform is to consider what you need. Do you want simplicity or customization? Do you need a popular platform or a niche one? Remember, the goal is to showcase your work in the best light and make it accessible to potential clients. Choose a platform which makes your work stand out and is easy for your clients to navigate. Now, let's talk about the heart of your portfolio, your work. Your work is the star of the show, the main event, the reason why potential clients will decide to reach out to you or move on. So it's essential to showcase your best pieces, the ones that make you proud, the ones that make you say, "Yes, I did that." When selecting what to display, it's crucial to remember that variety is your friend. Show that you can handle different styles, mediums, and themes. This doesn't mean you need to be a jack of all trades, but rather it demonstrates your versatility and adaptability. It's about showing that you can step out of your comfort zone and still produce stunning results. However, while variety is important, consistency should not be overlooked. If you're a minimalist designer, don't feel pressured to include a maximalist design just for the sake of variety. Your portfolio should reflect your unique style and aesthetic. It's about striking a balance between demonstrating your range and staying true to your artistic voice. Next, let's talk about context. Every piece of work in your portfolio should tell a story. Where was it used? What was the brief? What challenges did you overcome? These details can help potential clients understand your problem-solving skills and your creative process. It's not just about the final product, but also about the journey you took to get there. And here's a pro tip. Don't just include the successful projects. Show some works in progress or even the projects that didn't quite hit the mark. This can illustrate your ability to learn and grow from your experiences, which is a key trait in any successful freelancer. Finally, remember this. Your portfolio is more than just a collection of your work. It's a reflection of you as a designer. It showcases your creativity, your attention to detail, your problem-solving skills, and your passion. It's about more than just what you can do. It's about who you are. Your work is your voice. Make sure it speaks volumes about your skill. What else can you add to your portfolio to make it more compelling? Let's talk about the power of testimonials. These are not just statements of praise, they're powerful tools that can significantly boost your credibility. Picture this. You're a potential client, browsing through portfolios. You stumble upon one that not only showcases outstanding work, but also includes glowing reviews from satisfied clients. Wouldn't you be more inclined to trust this designer? Testimonials work because they provide social proof, a psychological phenomenon where people mirror the actions of others in an attempt to reflect correct behavior. When potential clients see that others have had positive experiences with your work, they're more likely to trust you and feel confident in your abilities. And don't be shy about asking for testimonials from your clients. Most are happy to provide them, especially if they were pleased with your work. Remember, testimonials show your potential clients that you deliver on your promises. Have you considered the importance of keeping your portfolio updated? You see, in the ever-evolving world of graphic design, it's not enough to just create a stunning portfolio and let it rest. The real challenge, and the key to success, is in maintaining and updating that portfolio regularly. Now you might ask, why is updating so essential? Well, think of your portfolio as a living, breathing entity. It's dynamic, not static. By adding new projects, you're showing your growth and evolution as a designer. You're showcasing your latest skills, techniques, and creative thinking. And let's be honest, everyone loves to see fresh, exciting work, don't they? But updating isn't just about adding the latest projects. It's also about refreshing the design of your portfolio itself. Trends in web design change rapidly, and what was cutting edge a couple of years ago may now look outdated. A fresh, modern look can make a world of difference in how your work is perceived. It tells your potential clients that you're not just a great designer, but also someone who stays up to date with the latest trends. And let's not forget testimonials. You've done some great work, your clients loved it, and they've given you some glowing reviews. But are those testimonials from 3 years ago still relevant? Updating testimonials gives potential clients a sense of your recent client experiences and the consistent quality of your work. In essence, keeping your portfolio updated sends a powerful message. It says that you're active, that you're constantly pushing boundaries, and that you're always evolving. It shows that you're not just sitting back and resting on your laurels, but you're out there at the forefront of the design world, creating amazing work. So remember to keep your portfolio fresh, engaging, and current. Because in this fast-paced world of design, an updated portfolio is not just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. A current portfolio shows potential clients that you are active, evolving, and at the top of your game. So, are you ready to build a lucrative online portfolio in graphic design? Let's do a quick rewind and walk through what we've covered today. Remember, the first step to setting up your online portfolio is understanding its importance. It's more than just a collection of your work. It's a reflection of your skills and creativity, a testament to your abilities. It's your professional calling card in the digital world, and it can open doors to opportunities you've only dreamed of. Choosing the right platform for your portfolio is the next crucial step. You want a platform that not only showcases your work beautifully, but also is easy to navigate and allows potential clients to contact you directly. Keep in mind the platform you choose should align with your style and the kind of clients you want to attract. Now, when it comes to showcasing your work, remember quality over quantity. It's better to have a handful of your best pieces than a cluttered collection of mediocre ones. Each project you include should tell a story, should speak volumes about your thought process, your attention to detail, and your problem-solving abilities. And let's not forget the power of testimonials. Positive feedback from satisfied clients is one of the best forms of advertising. It builds trust and credibility, showing potential clients that you deliver on your promises. Lastly, keeping your portfolio updated is non-negotiable. As you grow and evolve as a designer, so should your portfolio. Regular updates show that you're active, engaged, and committed to your craft. It's a chance to showcase your latest work and keep your portfolio fresh and exciting. In conclusion, building a professional, well-structured, and updated portfolio is not an option but a necessity in today's competitive graphic design market. It's your ticket to attracting high-paying clients and building a lucrative career in graphic design. With a standout portfolio, you're well on your way to becoming a successful graphic designer. So, start building today.